Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be giving you a tutorial regarding how to create a clipping mask in Adobe Premiere Pro. In the first part of the video, you have seen that I have inserted the original video inside the text BTS, and in the background the same video is being played but with lesser opacity. And if you see the second video, I have inserted the video inside the object that is created in Adobe Photoshop. So I will be teaching you how to insert this video inside the text and the object created. So let's begin the tutorial. So I will be selecting the required footage. I will be just taking a small portion. I will import both the audio and the video, and I need to change the sequence settings because my setting is quite different as compared to the video. Now I will be typing the text. I will type the word BTS and I will go to FX control and change the font. I will go for a bold font so that I can place the video inside the text. Now I can increase the size of the font and I will keep the color white because color doesn't matter and we are inserting the video inside this text. Now I will increase the duration of the text simply by dragging it, and I can just zoom the timeline. Now my text is ready. So in order to perform the clipping mask, I will go to FX, type the word track matte. Inside the keying you will find the option track matte key. Just drag it down and put in your original video. You should not put this track matte key in your text, but you should put it in your original video. Now let's go back to FX control and you can see this option track matte key. You will be finding options matte and you need to click on which video you need to do the track matte. So my original video is in video 1 and in video 2 I have my text. Now I will drag this BTS text in video 3 because in video 2 I need to insert the background video. Now I will select on this video 1 and go to track matte key, and out here I will select video 3 because my text is in video 3. Now automatically the video is appearing inside the text, but the remaining portions got disappeared. Now in order to put it in the background, the same video, I will just duplicate this video by pressing the Alt button and left click. So I have done the duplicate, but still I can't see the background video. So in this case I will select this track matte key and simply press the button delete. Now the BTS text totally disappeared because the video in the text and the background is same. So in this case I will just lower the opacity of video 2. I will unselect this and then just reduce the opacity. Now I am getting the same video with clarity inside the text and the background with less opacity. So I can play it back and you can see how I have performed a clipping mask. So guys, this is how you insert a video inside a text by using the clipping mask or the track matte key in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I will be teaching you how to insert a video inside a object. The process will be the same. I just need to replace the text with the object. Either I can use any objects from the internet, or I can use any Photoshop objects. For example, I will go to Photoshop, and as you know that in Photoshop we can create multiple objects with the help of pen tool, or we can go to custom shape tools and find lots of objects as required. I will go to this shape and then click on it. Now I am having this many objects, but you may not have all the objects. So for that you need to click on this settings button and then click all, and after that it will be asking you for append. You need to append it, and you will be finding all the objects out here. So for this video clip I will be just using a normal image. So I want this video to play inside this trophy, and fill I can select the color. I'm just selecting green color. Color doesn't matter because the video will be playing inside this object. Now I will just save this file. I will just save it in a desktop, untitled one. Now I will come back to Premiere Pro and go to project and import the Photoshop file. It was untitled one. And out here you will have these options: import layer file, and I want to import the individual layer. I want to import only the trophy, not the background. So in this case I will select individual layer and I will unselect the background so that I will have only the trophy. I will go to FX control and scale it down so that I can fit it. So I will duplicate the whole clip by pressing the Alt button and left click, and I will delete the BTS text and drag the object to video 3. Since we have already performed the track matte key in the original video, so it will automatically pick up the effect. Now so guys, this is how you create a clipping mask in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can either insert in any objects that is created or inside a text. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like the videos that I am providing it to you. Please like it, share it and subscribe it, and put some comments in the comment sections, and I will come up with more interesting video tutorials.